Watch me transform this simple 2D text to a 3D balloon text with just 3 simple steps using Apple Motion. It will only take 4 minutes, which is so easy that even beginner can do this. You can download this free plugin. The link is in the description below. This first step is by far the most important thing you need to do, which is creating the 3D text. Press T on your keyboard and then click on your composition and write any text you want. I will put inspire. Then here on the inspector, I'm gonna use the font Dynafont, which you can download free from Google Fonts. You can use a different font, but I recommend you to use a font which has that squishy look. Now I'm gonna set my alignment to center, then reset my properties. I will also increase my font size, let's say 300. Now this is where the fun begins. Let's go to appearance, then check 3D text. Let's change our depth to 0, then weight to 2.23 and front edge to 65. This will really make our boring 3D text pop. You can change the front edge settings to suit your style. But for this tutorial, I will leave it as above. Then for the lighting section, let's leave the top 3 parameters to default, but we need to change the environment section. Then here on the environment section, there are different types you can choose from, but I will select rooftop. You can also select parking lot. So these two is what I recommend. These two environment is important on our next step, which is the material section. Let's leave it to single. Then here on the substance, change it to metal and then type to Rome. We cannot change the color of our text because of our substance, but we can add something on top of our surface, which is a paint layer. So let's do that. Let's add a layer, paint, and then reflective paint. We can now change the color of our text using this one. You can also turn it up if you don't want and leave it like this. Then this next step will really change your already good 3D text to a more amazing text. You can skip this part if you are already satisfied with the result, but if you want to make it more eye-catching, you need to watch this part. To enhance our text, we need to add some filters. So those two filters are bloom and glint. So let's go to filters, glow, and then select bloom, and then select again glint. Okay, let's turn off the glint for a while. Here on the bloom, let's adjust the amount to 0 and the brightness to 63. So you can play around with the parameters in here, but I will leave it like this. And here on the glint, let's turn down our exposure, something like this. Then you can play around with the other area here, but I will just turn down the exposure. So that's how to create a 3D balloon text in Apple Motion. But there's something that can really improve your text animation in Motion. Everything that I told you is completely useless if you don't know how to use the sequence text behavior. So click this, or maybe this side, click this video if you want to learn more about sequence text. Before I end this video, I have made a Motion class on Udemy. I will provide a free coupon that you can use to download the class. Thank you and see you again next time.